This video is for my first time MacBook buyers. Please watch this video to the end if this is your first time of buying a MacBook or you're planning to go and buy the MacBook. You're inside the MacBook store and the vendor is showing you 3 different laptops, but they are all looking the same. One is silver color, the second is silver color, the third is silver color, and this person is telling you that one is 2017, one is 2015, and one is 2013. For example, this is 2 different laptops. One is 2017, one is 2015, and in your head, these laptops are looking the same. How do I even know which one is 2017 so they don't sell the wrong one to you? In this video, I'll be showing you how to know the full spec of a used or even brand new MacBook, even without turning it on. Let's dive in. Now all you have to do is to ask the vendor for the serial number. Most of the times the Apple MacBooks comes with their serial number at the down base at the bottom. So but one thing I want you to notice that most of these MacBook, like from 2017 downward, most of them, the back covers are not clean. The vendors get a newer back cover and put at the back, so sometimes the serial number at the back doesn't tally with the one inside the system. So the best option, or to be on the safer side, ask the vendor to give you the serial number from the inside. How do you get the serial number? Just go to the overview, then you will see where the serial number is. Copy it and go to this site I'll be showing you. Come to this site. Come to this side. Now that I've gotten the serial number, come to this side I'm showing you now, this particular site, and paste in the serial number here. Let's assume this is the serial number you got from the vendor, or you copied from the back of the system or inside the overview of the laptop. Then click on check serial number inside your phone. Now it's checking for the serial number. Let's see if this MacBook is from Apple Store or from MacBook is not republished. Now this is the model number. Now you now know that this is M2L with the serial number. Let's assume you don't know about MacBook. Now you now know that this is M2 2022. This is the serial number. The activation status is activated. The warranty Apple Limited. Apple coverage start from 2024. Estimated purchase date May. And you can see when I purchased this MacBook, this everything, this is the warranty. The warranty expires in 95 days from now. So with this, now you now know the full spec and features of this MacBook. I will show you other 2 sites by the end of this video, then you can actually check for full spec of both iPhone and MacBook. You can also use this on your iPhone to know which particular model is the iPhone you're buying for, so on and so forth. In my next video, I will also be showing you how to know locks and unlocks iPhone even without turning it on. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit the follow button, save this video for future reference, also share to a friend to save a friend. Peace out.